अथ श्री ललिता पंचरत्न स्तोत्रम. And now the chant of the 5 auspicious jewels in praise of Goddess Lalita. Pratah smarami lalita vadanarvindam bimbadharam pruthulamauक्तिकशोभिनासम् आकर्णदीर्घनयनं मणिकुण्डलाढ्यम् मन्दस्मितं मृगमदोज्ज्वलफालदेशम्. At the break of dawn, I remember the lotus-like face of Goddess Lalita, whose lower lip resembles the bimba fruit, whose nose is resplendent with a large pearl adorning it, whose eyes span until the width of her ears, which in turn are adorned with gem-studded earrings, with a gentle smile, and with her forehead glowing with a tilaka made of musk that intoxicates a deer. Pratar bhajami lalita bhujakalpavallim raktanguliyalasadaangulipallavadhyam maanikyahemavalayanggadashobhamanam pundrekshuchapakusumeshu srinindadhanam. At the break of dawn, I worship the wish-fulfilling creeper-like arms of Goddess Lalita, which are shining with tender shoot-like fingers adorned with reddish-hued rings, which are glowing with bangles and armlets made of red coral and gold, which hold weapons like the sugarcane bow, flowery arrows, and the gourd. Pratar namami lalita charanarvindam bhakteshtadana niratam bhavasindhupotam padmasanadi suranayaka pujaniyam padmankushadhvaja sudarshana lanchanadhyam. At the break of dawn, I bow down to the lotus-like pair of feet of Goddess Lalita, which are ever immersed in bestowing the wishes of devotees, and which are the ship that sails us across the ocean of existence, which are worthy of worship by Brahma and other leaders of the Suras, and which have the auspicious markings of a lotus, a gourd, and a Sudarshana Chakra. Pratastuve parashivan lalitam bhavanim Trayantavedya vibhavang karunanavadyam Vishvasya srishti vilaya sthiti hetu bhutam Vidyeshwarin nigamavang manasati duram. At the break of dawn, I praise the ultimate auspicious consort of Bhava, Goddess Lalita, whose glory is understood by the study of Vedanta, whose compassion is blemishless, who is the cause of the creation, maintenance, and dissolution of the universe, who is the ruler of all knowledge, and who is beyond the purview of sounds, speech, and thoughts. Pratar vadami lalite tava punya nama Kameshwariti kamaleti maheshwariti Shri Shambhaviti jagatanjanani pareti Vagdevateti vachasa tripureshwariti. At the break of dawn, I utter through my words your auspicious name, O Goddess Lalita, as Kameshwari, the goddess of desire, Kamala, the one who is above impurities, and Maheshwari, the great ruler of all, as Shri Shambhavi, the auspicious consort of Shambhu, the one who causes well-being, as Jagat Janani, the mother of the universe, and Para, the one who is of the beyond, as Vagdevata, the deity of sound, and Tripureshwari, the ruler of the 3 cities. Atha phalashrutihi. And now we hear the benefits of the chant. Yashloka panchakamidam lalitambikayah Saubhagyadan sulalitam pathati prabhate Tasmai dadati lalita jhatiti prasanna Vidyam Shriyam Vimalasaukhyamanantakirtim. The one who chants at the break of dawn this simple set of 5 auspicious shlokas of Mother Lalita, which grants good fortune, to such a person, Goddess Lalita, who is pleased immediately, grants knowledge, prosperity, pure bliss, and endless glory. Iti Shri Lalita Pancharatna Stotram Sampurnam. Thus, the chant of 5 auspicious jewels in praise of Goddess Lalita is complete.